So today I installed the Carsson LED light kit on my TRX4. It's this one on channel 1, and the yellow LEDs, blinkers in front, and the position lights was going on the port of the rear lights and the second pair of front lights. So no blinking, front lights, front yellow lights, position lights, rear lights. For the LEDs, I drilled 2 holes in the light parts. This is stock, and put it in these pieces for the LEDs. So it works beautiful. On the body there are the same holders. I use this, and for the position lights I use this. Ta-da! This is the result. Pretty nice. Finally, a little bit wiring order and finished. I hope you like what I did. Bye bye.